Welcome to the Whip Around product demonstration series. Whip Around is an easy-to-use fleet maintenance software for drivers, mechanics, and managers, improving your vehicle and equipment uptime by keeping your inspections, work orders, and fleet health data connected. Whatever led you to us, we're glad you're here. And by the end of this series, you'll have a great understanding of how Whip Around can transform your fleet operations. In fact, it's a promise we make to each and every customer. We help you take control, improve safety and compliance, reduce costs and downtime, and ultimately enable you to become a fleet champion, unlocking the power of more time, data, and money. Furthermore, Whip Around is the most user-friendly maintenance software around. Our customers are constantly telling us how easy it is to use and that even your most technology-shy drivers will pick it up quickly. In this series, we go through each aspect of our product. These videos are short and sweet so that you can understand how the product functions and ultimately how it will benefit your company. We recommend watching this series in order to best understand how each feature works together, but feel free to skip ahead to any videos that you're most curious about. The others will be here when you're ready. And at any point during this series, you can go to whiparound.com to ask us any questions through our chat feature, schedule a time to speak with one of our representatives, or try Whip Around for free. Let's get into it.